What are setup and hold times in flip-flops? Have you ever wondered how digital circuits maintain accuracy when processing data? One key aspect lies in understanding setup and hold times in flip-flops. These timing parameters are essential for reliable data storage in electronics. Let's break it down. Setup time is the minimum duration before the active clock edge when the data input must remain stable. This means that the data should not change for a specific time leading up to the clock transition that triggers the flip-flop. If the data changes during this period, the flip-flop might latch incorrect or unpredictable values. This can lead to timing errors or a state called metastability, where the output is uncertain. Now, what about hold time? Hold time is the minimum duration after the active clock edge during which the data input must continue to be stable. In simpler terms, the data should not change immediately after the clock edge for at least the hold time interval. If this time is violated, it can also lead to metastability or incorrect data capture. The internal circuitry of the flip-flop needs this time to finalize latching the data. Together, setup and hold times create a timing window around the clock edge. This window is critical for the flip-flop to operate correctly. If either setup or hold time is violated, the flip-flop may enter a state of unpredictability, which can propagate errors in sequential digital circuits. From an electrical engineering perspective, these timing constraints arise from how flip-flops are physically built. They use components like inverters and transmission gates. The delays and switching characteristics of these components determine the minimum stable data intervals needed around the clock edge. In practical digital design, setup and hold times play a significant role in determining the maximum clock frequency of sequential circuits. The clock period must be long enough to accommodate both the setup time and hold time, along with the propagation delays of flip-flops. This ensures that timing violations do not occur, which could lead to data corruption in counters, registers, and other flip-flop-based elements. To summarize, setup time is the minimum time data must be stable before the clock edge, while hold time is the minimum time data must be stable after the clock edge. Both are essential for correct data latching in flip-flops and impact timing design and maximum operating frequency in digital electronics. Understanding these concepts is vital for anyone working with electronics and embedded systems.